A major part of urban survival is having all your electronics charged. So as I state in the introduction, these sorts of things aren't survival essentials. You don't have to have charged electronics to survive, but they more easily facilitate your survival. When charging your electronics, this is how you charge electronics efficiently. It's very simple. You have everything you possibly can have on charge. So you'll see that I've got the scooter on charge, phone on charge, I've got my PlayStation running. I did have this phone that I have now on charge. You'll see in this room here, torch batteries on charge, portable charger or portable power supply on charge, and that's all I can charge for now, given the amount of outlets I have available. And then I have a charge pile, so that's how it's organised. Everything not yet charged is just put there. Small laptop, big laptop, another portable power supply. That's all I've got left to charge. And oh wait, I have earphones, so I've got to get my earphones and put them in this pile. Now my point is, it's when you do things as simple as this that you make your survival easier. Let's just say you didn't bother to do this and you don't do things in this streamlined fashion. What happens if you don't have a charged torch just because you forgot? Just because you don't have a smooth system going on? Well, you might miss out on the opportunity to procure water or food at a particular structure you've just entered, which you're inspecting. Okay, let's just say you haven't had any water for days or a day. Let's just say you haven't eaten for a week. And just because you don't have a torch functioning and all you can see is bits and pieces because it's dark, you now miss out on seeing a little nibbly in the corner of a kitchen. Okay, it's these little bits and pieces that make your survival much easier. Having a calm head, being organised, having smooth systems. It's not rocket science. You don't have to stress or try hard. It's just very simple stuff. Again, scooter's on charge. Phone over there is on charge. And this is another phone that I've got here. You saw what was on charge in the other room. Okay, I'm going to go to my pants and try and find the other earphone to highlight my point. Where is it? I hope I've got it here. I know I've got it somewhere. Well, here's one, but it's not the one I'm after. It's just to illustrate my point. Let's just say this is the one I'm looking for. Okay, this needs to be charged. There it goes, bang in that pile. And you'll note that this also needs to be charged. The two other batteries are part of that really powerful torch. I've got the two batteries in there now. They're the ones I've got to put next. So I know automatically that this here means not charged. If there's nothing here, it means everything's charged. Yeah. If I fail to charge any of this equipment, it could be the difference between life and death. It could be the difference between me missing out on water and me having water, which are survival necessities. Okay? Look, you may say that's overkill, and you probably won't miss out, but you can't guarantee that. You don't know how important your torch is when you need it. You don't know how important your scooter is when you need it. What if you need to make 10 kilometres? Scooter there can get me 10 to 15 kilometres on one charged battery, easy, which is going to save me a lot of legs from walking. Or say a lot of energy, I should say. I like to be colloquial, but I've got to remember this is a course. So that's going to save me a lot of energy. Let's just say I forget to charge that, or I don't have the system in place and I make mistakes as if it was a normal thing, which shouldn't be the case in this scenario. Okay, then I have to expend 10 to 15 kilometers worth of energy tomorrow in walking, which is ridiculous. I've got a scooter there, and a very good one. Laptop. I need that laptop to research locations, to apply for jobs if I'm homeless, etc. It's by applying for jobs and doing all sorts of research that I can acquire food, acquire water. So you're starting to get my point. It's this general organization, this very solid platform that enables you to procure, or I should say ensure, those 4 survival necessities. Now, that's the fine line. See, survival psychology, improvisation, general organization, that's the fine line. That's where, I won't say the buck stops, but that's where I don't push any further. Because if push comes to shove, I could make hacking a survival part of this course. I could make a lot of things a part of this course, but that's just starting to get into the ridiculous. You want to be succinct and you want it to be directly related to your immediate survival needs. And everything I've showed you thus far is either directly linked to your survival needs or will much easier facilitate your survival. So highlight those terms.